Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the 8LOTUS January Deluxe subscription box. I have the A5 size and really excited to open this one up and see what's inside. Right, so we will start with the dashboards and inserts, but I do want to share that in 2026, this will be the last deluxe box that I get. I'm switching to the classic, so I'll only be receiving the dashboards and the inserts because that's what I primarily use. I like the sticky notes, but I have so many, and then I kind of want to be more intentional with my purchases at the beginning of the year. I might go back to the deluxe, we'll see, but I haven't really used the accessories. Y'all know I'm not that decorative. Like, I'll put them in my planner, but for the most part, I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to like dial it back. And so I'm just gonna have the normal subscription box, so I'll still receive the dashboards and the inserts, but all the additional accessories I didn't really need, so wanted to do the classic subscription. So that will be as of February. So this will be my last deluxe for a bit. All right, so let's go ahead and start with what comes with the classic. So we have the inserts and the dashboards. Let's start with the dashboards because this is definitely my favorite part. All right, so we have the January translucent matte plastic monthly dash, the Trust the Magic translucent matte plastic, midnight celebration, and then snowberries. So I kind of like these for pairings. Or you could also do these two, but I like the magic with the fireworks personally. Okay, but these are the the 4 dashboards that you get. I actually also might pair the January with one of the December ones. We will see. As y'all know, I'll put them in my planner with you guys at the end of the video. So those are the dashboards. Now let's go into the inserts. So we get 4 types of inserts. So first is the monthly tracker. This is 15 sheets, so you get 30 pages. And it is a full tracker with a description, and then it goes from 1 to 31. So you can track, honestly, anything for the entire month on a daily basis. I might use this I can use this for so many things. I feel like you can use this for your habits, this is perfect for tracking habits in the new year. You can also track just any like activity, motion, any goals to check in like what you're doing and when. I think is also a great way to use this as well. So we get this, and then there's also a savings overview. So you get 15 sheets or 30 pages of these. So you have info, and then you get 4 quadrants. So each one has January through December, your amount and your balance, and then it is front and back. So you can have 8 different savings overviews. I feel like you can also use this for honestly tracking debt as well. So just anything that you need an amount and a balance for, right? So yes, you can use it for savings. So you can put like, I added this, took away this, net earnings or whatever, and then this is the updated balance. And then you can also use it for tracking debt. So you could do the amount paid and then where the balance is currently at. And then same with like if you want to track a full, like what you pay towards something, adding it like that. There's so many different ways you can use it. That's why I love the 8LOTUS inserts. So we have, again, 30 pages of these. And the next is the weekly half hour. So you get 14 weeks, which is 30 pages. And so this is, it looks like the half hour inserts, and I have used these before, and so it looks like these are just the weekly half hour. The ones that have been in the shop before had the notes on, it was like a week on 4 page with notes on the back. I've used them on my A6. And so you just have your times for A5, it goes from 7 to 10, and then you get your half hours, and then Saturday, Sunday is on the side and you get straight lines. And then you get full pages of this. So this is really nice if you just want that hourly layout, but you didn't want those like that notes. And I'm really excited that they're offering just the weekly inserts for these, where you don't have to have like the notes because it can be a lot. And then this is a really nice half-hour insert. So we have those. And then we have our yearly goals insert. So you get 15 sheets of these for 30 pages. So you have your goal, you can write it out, then put achieved, start date, finish date, a reward, why you're doing it, which is always important when tracking your goals and creating goals. And then you can go track your progress as well, put brainstorm and strategy. And then you have a tracker on the back, which is also really nice. So you have 3 months, 6 months, 9, and 12, and then a reflection. And then again, you have 15 sheets or 3 pages of these. I might use these for trainings in my A5. We will see, but we have that. And then that is all of the inserts. Now let's go into the accessories. All right, so first is this notes notepad. So you have a blank back, and then it's not sticky, it's just a regular notepad. We also get this Pentel Energel pen, and it is blue ink in a 0.4 millimeter. And I'll do a quick pen test just because I always forget if I don't do it right away. When it's more like a navy. Actually, I kind of like this, so I'm not a blue ink person. And then it's also really smooth when writing. I might look this up and see if they have this in black, because I actually really like this, especially on the paper. So here is the notes and the notepad. And then we have this new this week sticky note. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in one box. And so this is a great way if you probably need a pre-plan. That's probably how I initially see myself using these. So for example, for this week, I had an appointment, like a vet appointment. And then I also had to pick up my prescription. So those were 2 things I needed to do. I needed to pick up my last minute gifts for Christmas. And then we are going to my brother's for Christmas Day. So this is a great way to pre-plan. Or if you just need to jot something down quickly or like quickly plan something out, I feel like this is also a great way to use it. But for me, I feel like you'll probably see these in my planner with like pre-planning, and that way my plan with me's, I can reference this, and that way if things move or up, like adjust, then I can just base it off of this. So we have these. And then last up is the accessory pack. Okay, so we have our January intentions, which is on that firework background, the extended monthly card, and then we have the intentions planner cards that go with it. So we have the, let's see, set meaningful goals, release what doesn't serve you, and then embracing possibilities. And then you just have some really cute planner cards. So we have, I think, these 2 little kids in snow, some log cabins in snow, and then a couch, so for decor. So that is the accessory pack, and then that is everything that comes in the box. We're probably only gonna put in the dashboard for now, because I don't need to use the savings tracker or the weekly half hour or the yearly goals just yet. Honestly, or the monthly tracker. So we're just gonna put in the dashboards. So let's go ahead and bring out my planner. So I have the 2 dashboards that I'm going to use. I'm also going to use the January intentions just since I have it and since it matches. And then let me move this charger. So I'm still working on the setup for my 2026 system, and I'll have those videos out for this upcoming weekend and over the holiday. So really excited to share that with you guys, and also just to have it because I love the new year and setting up planners for the new year. We're gonna put in this card here, and then I am going to do what I did last year with the dashboards. And so I have my Rosy Pop with the hourlies that are divided by months, and I'm going to use this as the divider. So these are my two favorite. So we're going to use these. I also just love that it's like chapter 1, and then you have January, and then you have the fireworks. So this will be my first one. And then, like I said, I'm not going to use the inserts just yet. I will put them away. Like, I store all the ones I don't use until I need them. But for now, this is just everything that I'm going to use. So other than that, that is actually going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.